Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Rosme, where we speak slow, clear English so you can learn easily. I'm Rose.
And hello, everyone. I'm Caleb. It is wonderful to be here with you today.
Hi, Caleb. How are you feeling this morning?
I am feeling very calm, very happy. And you, Rose, how are you today?
I am doing great, thank you. And I am excited because today we have a beautiful topic.
Oh, yes, a very useful topic. Very important for every English learner.
But first, before we start, please remember click the subscribe button.
Yes, and please give this video a like. It helps our small channel so much.
It really does. Okay, Caleb, are you ready to begin?
I am ready, Rose. Let's begin.
So, today our topic is how to talk about yourself.
Ah, a wonderful topic. People ask this question everywhere, in a new class, at a new job,
Yes, when you meet someone new, on the street, at a party,
and sometimes it is hard to find the words.
it is. But today we will make it simple, we will make it slow and clear and easy.
I love that. Okay, so who begins? You or me?
How about you begin, Caleb? Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my turn. Let's start easy. What is your name?
My name is Rose.
Rose. Very nice to meet you, Rose.
Nice to meet you too, Caleb.
Now, next question. Where are you from?
Good question. I am from Australia.
Australia. Wow. And I am from England.
England. Very nice. Do you live in a big city, Caleb, or a small town?
I live in a small town. It is quiet. I like it.
I live in a big city. It's busy, very busy, but I love the energy.
A small town and a big city. So different.
Yes, very different. Do you live in a house, Caleb, or an apartment?
I live in a house, a small house. It has a garden.
A garden. I love gardens. I live in an apartment, a small one, but very cozy.
Cozy. I like that word. Okay, so now we have name, place, age, home. What is next?
How about age? If you want to say, of course.
Of course, it is okay. I am 26 years old.
26. And you, Rose?
I am 24 years old.
I am 24 years old.
A wonderful age.
Thank you, Caleb. Okay, now a big question. What do you do?
I am a teacher, an English teacher.
Of course, you teach on English with Rosme.
Exactly. I love my job very much.
That is wonderful. And you, Rose, what do you do?
I am a student.
I am a student. What do you study?
I study design. I love to draw and create.
Design. That is so creative. An English teacher and a design student. A perfect team.
I think so too. Okay, let's see. We have name, place, age, job. What else?
How about let's talk about family?
Family. A wonderful topic. Do you have brothers or sisters, Rose?
Yes, I have one sister. Her name is, well, I will just say my sister.
Is she older or younger?
She is older. What about you, Caleb? Brothers or sisters?
I have one brother. He is younger than me. He is a student like you, Rose.
Oh, really? What does he study?
He studies music. He plays the guitar.
A music student and a design student. Very creative family.
It is very creative. Now let's talk about pets.
Pets. Do you have a pet, Caleb?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Buddy.
Buddy. I love dogs. What color is he?
He is golden, very friendly.
I want to meet Buddy. Do you have a pet, Rose? I have a cat. Her name is Misty.
Misty, what does she look like?
She is gray, very quiet, very sleepy.
A sleepy cat. That sounds normal.
It is. She sleeps all day.
Okay, now let's talk about favorite things. Favorite food. What is your favorite food, Caleb?
difficult question. I think my favorite food is noodles.
Noodles. A great choice. My favorite food is pasta.
Pasta is good too. Very yummy. Okay, next, favorite color.
My favorite color is green, like the trees.
Green is beautiful. My favorite color is purple.
Purple, like the sunset.
Exactly. Okay, favorite animal.
Easy for me. My favorite animal is a dog.
Of course, because of Buddy. And you, Rose, favorite animal? My favorite animal is a cat.
Exactly. Okay, now let's talk about hobbies.
Hobbies. What are your hobbies, Rose? I love to draw. Every weekend, it helps me relax. I also love to read.
Reading is wonderful. What books do you read?
Adventure stories, my favorite. How exciting! And you, Caleb, your hobbies?
I love music. I play guitar a little.
Oh, like your brother.
Yes, like my brother. I also love to walk outside in nature.
That sounds very peaceful.
It is very peaceful. Do you like movies, Rose?
Yes, I love movies, especially comedy movies.
I love comedy too, and also adventure movies.
This is wonderful. We are learning so much about each other.
We are. It's like we are answering, "Tell me about yourself" right now.
Exactly. Now let's talk about things we don't like. Okay, a food you don't like, Caleb.
I don't like olives.
Really? I like olives.
See, we are different.
It's true. What about you, Rose? A food you don't like? I don't like very spicy food.
I understand. A little spicy, okay, but very spicy, no.
Exactly. Okay, an activity you don't like.
I don't like waiting in long lines.
Nobody likes that.
True. So now, this is a good way to describe yourself, what you like and what you don't like.
Exactly. For example, hello, my name is Caleb. I'm a teacher. I like dogs and noodles, but I don't like olives.
Exactly. For example, hello, my name is Caleb. I'm a teacher. I like dogs and noodles, but I don't like olives.
That is a great introduction. Hi, I'm Rose. I'm a student. I love cats and pasta, but I don't like spicy food.
Perfect. Simple, clear, friendly.
We covered so much: name, place, age, job, family, pets, hobbies, likes, dislikes.
A wonderful list for "Tell me about yourself."
And remember, you don't need to say everything at one time.
That's a great tip. You can choose, maybe your name and your job.
Or your name and your hobby. It depends on the situation.
If you are in a class, you can say, "My name is Caleb. I'm learning English because I love to travel."
And if you're at a party, you can say, hi, I'm Rose. I love to draw and I love music.
And a new friendship begins.
It all starts with, tell me about yourself. It is not a scary question.
It is an invitation to share a little bit about you.
A beautiful way to think about it. Well, I think our time is almost up.
Wistful. Time goes so fast when we are having fun.
It really does. Before we go, we want to ask a small favor. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English with Rosme.
And give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps us grow.
And please share it with anyone who is learning English.
And for our question of the day, go to the comments and tell us about yourself.
One sentence or two. My name is, I am from, I like. We would love to read your comments and learn about you.
Thank you all for listening today.
It was a pleasure. Keep practicing.
We will be back soon with another slow, easy episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.